You see, madness is not only when somebody removes his clothes and run into the market, as when people will say, that person is mad. We have different kinds of madness. Today I came across a video from one businessman and entrepreneur, Chigozie Nabogu, on News Central, begging the governors of the Southeast extraction to kill Nnamdi Kanu for peace and normalcy to be restored in Nigeria, in the Southeast. And my question is, why would somebody make such statements? Why will anybody ask for the head of Nnamdi Kanu to be delivered on a platter? You guys know that I don't normally show the videos of all these people, but today I want you to listen to the voice, so that I just want you to listen to the voice. I will play the voice so that the voice notes, so that you guys will hear it by yourself. And in fact, I don't know. Let's listen to it.
No mercy. I'm saying it on air. Put it on air. If Nnamdi Kanu is there today, if government of Nigeria will kill Nnamdi Kanu, trust me, normalcy will start coming. And that's all what every Igbo man prays for.
Good evening, everyone.
Did you hear that? I believe you heard that. When somebody said the only way normalcy will come back to Igbo land is by killing Nnamdi Kanu. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Even the Fulanis are not praying for the terrorists to be killed. You can never see anybody praying for all those bandits to be killed. You saw Gumi praying that Nigeria should let the terrorists be, that they are humans. You saw our defense minister, you saw many of them defending terrorism in the north. And an Igbo man is saying that Nnamdi Kanu, who did nothing, when I mean nothing, that Nnamdi Kanu must be killed, must be sacrificed for Igbo land to have peace. What an irony. Isn't Nnamdi Kanu the problem of the East? Isn't Nnamdi Kanu the problem of Nigeria? Isn't Nnamdi Kanu the problem of anybody? The only crime that guy committed is saying the truth. The only crime that guy committed is telling Nigeria that you guys have failed the people. The only crime that guy committed is telling them, if you don't want Igbo people in Nigeria, let them go. The terrorists in the north were labeled bandit, and IPOB were proscribed as terrorists, so that they will look bad in the League of Nations, and the terrorists they named bandit will be people they will try to integrate into our armies and police. But the IPOB will be terrorists. Today Nnamdi Kanu is serving a lifetime sentence. Instead of the Igbos, instead of the politicians in Igbo land, to give Tinubu a mandate that if you want our vote, you should release Nnamdi Kanu. And the Tinubu I know will release that man within 24 hours. If you really want all those guys that are talking about city boys and all the rest of them, Kubana chief priests and all the rest of them, they have the right to tell Tinubu, Baba, for us to continue with this your city boys, Nnamdi Kanu must be released. Sunday Igboho is out. Sunday Igboho committed more crime than Nnamdi Kanu. But give it to Yoruba, they know the politics. They know it. They know it. They are very, very intelligent. Don't take my word for it. You can do your research. They are. And each time they coalesce with some Igbos, you see them coming up tops. Each time Igbo people believe that they are the same the same place with Yorubas will find a way of dealing with Igbo people. Awolowo did it to Ojukwu. Even when Ojukwu was very smart, he outsmarted him. They always do that. They did it to Nnamdi Azikiwe. That's why he said, like them, but don't trust them. And I will still add, Bible never told us to trust anybody. Bible told us to love. He didn't say we should trust. Quran told us to love. Quran didn't tell us to trust. You don't trust your fellow human being because they will always fail you. But for an Igbo man, I never expected in my whole life that an Igbo man would beg the Southeast governors to lobby the federal government to kill Nnamdi Kanu for peace to return in the Southeast. That guy is in jail. So why are you begging them to kill? That guy is in jail. That guy is not doing anything. As a matter of fact, he said that anybody that is destroying people's lives should be in jail. Nnamdi Kanu never asked anybody to kill. I've tried to listen to some of his podcasts, and he is like a prophet because everything that guy said has come to fruition. Everything, the ones that I heard. Why are they persecuting him? They are persecuting him because he's the one that can only tell them the truth. And somebody from Igbo extraction is telling the federal government and the governors to buy the guy. Igbos, I don't understand. Sometimes I don't know what is happening to that part of Nigeria. It's not all Igbos, don't get me wrong. I am talking about few people. Majority of Igbos are very intelligent. Very, very intelligent. Hardworking. And can never make such statements. I know loads and loads of them that stands for their right. But few Igbo politicians, few Igbo businessmen and women are destroying that tribe, making them look like they are third-class citizens in a place where they are supposed to be at the table. Sometimes I realize that they don't even know their worth in Nigeria of today. If Igbo people knows their worth in Nigeria today, they are not going to beg anybody to sit on the table. Other tribes will beg them if they know their worth. But they make them look like a second-class citizen in their own country. That is why you see Soludo, Umahi, and all the rest of them fighting their brother so that they will get a second fiddle being the vice president of Nigeria. That's what they are fighting for. That's why the hatred. I don't understand that. I had rumors. I just want to believe it's rumor too, that a close confidant of Kenneth Okonkwo called him to go and apologize to Peter Obi. Somebody who is very close to him advised him to go and talk to Peter Obi and ask for Peter Obi's blessing. Because I have never seen anybody that fought that guy that lived to tell the story. I have never seen, because he's an innocent man. He's not called Okute for nothing. There is a reason for that. I just want to touch on other issues so that my people, you guys should go back and fish out this guy and ask him why he made such statements. That's why I play. I don't want to put the video. God forbid. I will never put such video. But I want you to hear it. That's why I played it, so that you guys will hear it. What is going on? We should stop all these things. You guys should know your worth in Nigeria. Please. Thank you for listening to me. My name is Hyacinth, and this is the Hyacinth Network. May God bless you, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.